Hi folks, this is Joel at Computer Repair. Back to school is our busiest time of year, and I like to save families money. So bring in your kids' computers. You'll save $10 off the first one, $20 off the second one, and $30 off the third one when we service them with our most popular service, the PC Tune-Up. Makes them run as good as new and cleans them from viruses and malware. Makes them secure. Keep your children safe. Make sure they learn a lot in school. Thanks for watching Channel 23.2.
I might be able to fix it. Bring it on in. Let's see what we can do on her.